Welcome to Learning with your English language and literature teacher, me, Mrs. Nidhi Kotak. Well, it's a pleasure when you all log into my classes. Welcome all my CBSE students. It is going to be a jolly good ride together. We are going to study literature, and all you 7th graders, please be rest assured that literature is going to be in a story form, a beautiful form. The quote for today is live in the present moment. Enjoy every bit of it. Don't think too much of past and future. All right. Now, today we are going to study the first chapter from your textbook, that is the 3 questions. The characters are King and the Hermit. They are the most important characters. And the chapter is based on 3 questions. First one, what is the right time to start something? Second, who are the most important people to listen to? And third, what is the most important thing to do? All right. So now, students, let me tell you the story. The setting is in the woods where the hermit lives. Who is a hermit? Sadhu, saint. Now, there was a king. He was a very just king and he had won many battles. He wanted to attain a lot of success and he thought the 3 questions that I told you, if he gets an answer to these, he will be successful because he can apply these strategies in his life and win more and more and gain more and more. He also said that he will give a prize money to all the people or to anyone who helps him give these answers. Well, everyone fails. So one fine day, he decides to go to a hermit who lives in the woods. He disguises himself as a normal person and goes with his bodyguards on his horse. Now, when he does this, and is going to the hermit, he leaves his bodyguards and horse on another side so that the hermit doesn't know that he is the king. You know why he does that? क्योंकि उनको ये नहीं चाहिए कि hermit nervous हो जाए या उनसे डर जाए और उस हिसाब से आंसर दे. So well, he goes to the hermit and the hermit is digging in the ground. He is constantly digging. And the king asks him this question. Hermit कोई जवाब नहीं देता है. King hermit को बोलते हैं कि मैं आपको हेल्प करता हूँ. उन्होंने चुपचाप उनको एक्स दे दिया. फिर hermit पूछते हैं, कोई जवाब नहीं. King पूछते जाते हैं, hermit जवाब नहीं देते. ये constantly चालू रहता है. Where then they hear a loud scream of a bearded man and he is holding his stomach and he is drenched in blood. Immediately, hermit and the king help the wounded man because blood is oozing out. Well, now here is the twist. Who is that wounded man? The king doesn't know and recognize. That wounded man is actually the king's enemy, because the king had defeated him and taken all his property. So that bearded man had actually come to take revenge from the king when he sees him there, but he gets injured by his bodyguards. Now, the king has saved him. So the bearded man is very thankful and grateful to the king. ये bearded man ने ही उनको उनका परिचय दिया. उन्होंने king को बताया कि actually I had come to harm you, but now I will not do that because you have saved my life. The king also forgives him. Now here the hermit tells the king, well, you have got your answers itself. हमें जब भी बच्चों कोई क्वेश्चंस का आंसर चाहिए, especially जो life related हो, when we actually, face those incidences, that time we realize it better. So the hermit tells the king कि आपका जवाब आपके सामने है. What is the right time to start something? Now. Present. आपके सामने प्रेजेंट सिचुएशन क्या है? आप उसको ही पकड़िए और तुरंत स्टार्ट कर दीजिए. Present situation was a wounded man. Now is the time. Help him. Who are the most important people to listen to? Who is with you currently now? Whoever is with you present, listen to them based on the situation. Don't wait to call anybody or meet somebody. What is the most important thing to do? The most important thing to do is help the person in need. And when you do that, success automatically comes. तो बच्चों ये एक बहुत ही सुंदर चैप्टर है और आपने देखा होगा दैट देर आर टू डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज एंड क्लास ऑफ पीपल हियर. वन इज द हर्मिट. सो दो दे आर फ्रॉम डिफरेंट कैटेगरी. एक पुअर हर्मिट और किंग. कोई छोटा बड़ा नहीं होता है लाइफ में हमें लेसन सिखाने के लिए. वी कैन लर्न अ लेसन एट even if we are at the biggest position. Even a servant or a maid can help us through our experiences. और हर एक इंसान से हमें सीखने मिलता है. उसमें कोई rich poor नहीं होता है. All right students, think about it. Good day. Very easy chapter. Do take a read. Goodbye.